हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज वीडियो। आज हम लोग 27 जुलाई के बारे में हम लोग अपना लेवल्स को शेयर करेंगे। लेकिन सबसे पहले एक डिस्क्लेमर हमारा है कि दैट आई एम नॉट अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट, neither me or my family member nor my initiative Unlock Market Secret have any vested interest in the stocks being discussed here. Any stocks taken up on the charts are meant to help the viewers understand chart formation and technical setup in those stocks. This video is purely for educational purpose only and are made for reference or case study purpose. If you wish to take any action or trade on discussed views, it is highly suggested that you should please consult your investment advisor or make your own analysis before initiating any trade or and taking any position in the stocks which involves financial risk. I will not be responsible for any of your action taken. So अब इसके बाद let me explain a little bit about my program, the Unlock Market Secrets. As you all know, there is a lot of complexities in the markets and a lot of people, they land up making losses most of the time. So my duty is to help my friends, my viewers, to save them from losses, and maybe they can earn profits, because this market has only two sides: one is profit, one is loss. So if you are saved from your losses, then whatever is left is profits. Number two, I discuss daily levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. My friends and viewers have seen that these levels are working fantastic for them, and it's like a gold mine. Uh, see friends, we get only 5 to 6% interest in bank, that too after waiting for the entire 1 year. Here our aim is to earn 1% per day per trade. That is our main motto. And if we are able to earn 1% per day, that itself will amount to a huge number, which you can check on your Excel sheet. I will show you the Excel sheet tomorrow in my next video, how this 1% becomes a magical figure. Now that you have learned to work on my level shared, uh, still this you have been given on the screen. You can write it on your paper, on your notebook, and you follow however the way I have guided you to work on my levels. So friends, let me first do the back testing of today's shared level. That was for 26th of July. So this was our Nifty futures. The highest level was 5980 and the lowest was 15735. The buy above point was 15865 and the sell below was 15845. Today the market was working in a very narrow range. We were not able to make any uh, decent trade today because of the such a small gap we had today. Let me show you on my charts, then you will be able to understand better. So this is Nifty. The blue lines are the neutral zone, and the first green line here, this is our first target on the buy side, and the first red line is the first target on the left side. So we were working in a very narrow range. The high was 15893 while the low was 15815, so roughly 80 points. But when we are working on the levels, if you were able to identify this point and you were able to sell when the market was going down, then maybe you have got only just few 50 points. But 50 point itself is not a small number, because when you calculate on the lot size, it will amount to some 2500 rupees per lot. I don't know how much lots you trade in, but this is what you would have got per lot. Now let me take you to the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty was same. The whole day we were in the neutral zone range. It could not even touch the first highest zone. So when if you follow some charting software, then you could have easily identified that the movement was not very sharp on either side. So the total movement was just 200 points. So maybe maximum you could have got only 100 points if you had taken any trade, or maybe may not be that also. So this is the lesson we have to take from the market. Every day is not a tradable day. So it's not necessary that we have to trade every day. If we get levels, it is fine. If we don't get levels, we don't get opportunity, we have to keep quiet. And maybe that we can focus on stocks. So some stocks had done really good today. That was in cash segment. I'll just share my screen with you. So this is today's top gainers. So Capri Point, 20% up. Then Mangalam Cement was 12% up, and another notable is Orient Pro Solution, that is 10% up. So basically, not very renowned companies were there on the buying list, but still we found that the movement was in cash segment. And Caply Point is a good stock as per our chart indicators. Uh, it is doing very strong, and if you want to take any position for a long-term perspective, you can think about it. Please take your due analysis or your take advice from a financial advisor before taking any step. And this is the worst performing stocks for today. Again, there were not much famous stocks in this line. So let me take you to the futures part. This is the derivative segment. So the derivative segment, we had some good movement in Coromandel, Apollo Hospital, SBI Life, MFSL, Bajaj Finserv, Ramco Cement. So cement, metal, pharma, healthcare. These four sectors are doing good. Banking sector is not performing that well, but financial sector is performing. They are different between banks and finance. So the finance stocks is a specialized segment where we have Bajaj Finserv, we have uh, your what you call some other the exchange stocks we have like BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. I think we had some good movement in BSE today also. Let me check once. Yes. So today, BSE gave some 140 odd jump from yesterday's low. So this is good. Now I'll just close it and again go to my regular levels that I share with you. So these levels once again I'll just share. Please wait for a minute. Just let me juggle from here. Okay, fine. So this was Bank Nifty again. As I showed on the chart, there was not much movement. We were range bound and trading within the neutral zone, so it's okay. It happens. So I'll share tomorrow's level now. This is the week 4 level. The highest level for this week is 16,175, while the lowest level is 15,550. So these two are very important. It's because the monthly level is also 16,200. So it may be that we can go till this point, but it may not be easy to cross beyond this. So tomorrow, if we open gap up, then we may see some good momentum and sustain for at least half an hour. That is very important. So if we sustain for at least half an hour above the neutral zone, then there is a big possibility that we'll keep continuing on the upside. And there is a very good chance that we may see finally 15,900 to 16,000 level tomorrow itself. So it may be, so keep a close watch on tomorrow's trading. Today being a dull day, maybe we will get a good session tomorrow. So I have just shared the Nifty spot level. This is Nifty spot and futures both. Both are almost similar, just 5 or 10 odd difference point, but the gap between the lowest and the highest point is somewhat around 200 points. So if we get a good chance, then we can try it tomorrow. Try our luck tomorrow. This is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again. The fourth week's the highest level is 36,000. Bank Nifty so far is not showing that good strength, but let's see. We are always hopeful. So let us work as per the daily levels shared with you. So the daily level highest is 35,385. So if for any reason we take a gap of opening tomorrow morning, if Nifty opens by more than 50 points, then maybe that we will be trading somewhere near this region tomorrow morning itself. So have a close watch on these levels and have a profitable day. That is my all the best wishes for you. This is the spot level. This is the futures. Kindly make a note in your diary in on a notepad. You can pause this video and keep following the levels and work. I'm sure you will be happy working with my given levels and they are working fantastic for you. I can share two stocks if you want. Let me check on my chart once before I wrap up for the day. 1 second. Today Vedanta had shown some good movement. Yes, Vedanta. So Vedanta is one stock which on my technical indicators, it seems to be a good buy. So my buying level for tomorrow will be above 275. See, please follow the levels very, very carefully. When I say buy above 275, that means we have to take a trade only above 275, not below that. Our stop loss will be 260. So it will be just 15 points stop loss, and the target, it may be between, the first target will be 285, then we may see 290, and it has the potential to go up till 300. And this may take a day or two. Maybe that we will not achieve all the three targets tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. So this is for 2 days to 2 to 3 days trade. So buy above 275. I repeat, stop loss 260, and the target is 285, 290, and 300 for the futures. Second stock will be a cash segment stock, that is EID Parry. EID Parry again had shown a new buying interest today. So the highest level was 428. So your buy will be, if it starts trading above 430 tomorrow, then you can take a position in this, and the stop loss will be 420, and the target will be 450 plus. So this is all for your friends for the day. Enjoy tomorrow's session. I wish you all have a very profitable day. So thank you so much, my dear friends, and see you tomorrow uh, in a new video. And please don't forget to share. If you are finding my videos useful for you, please don't forget to share with your friends and your family. Sabka bhala apna bhala.